everybody, welcome to another video. Today we're playing a cruise life beta again. Oh, not a cruise life beta, just a cruise ship typhoon again. This is probably cruise ship typhoon again. Now, all I have to do is, what's happening? Yeah, there's something wrong with my device. Yeah, there's something wrong with my device. Yeah, exactly. Let's go back to okay, let's just go back to roblox and see if the next. So everyone, this is just a 10-minute video. It's a 10-minute video, not too long. Just 10 minutes. Cruise ship typhoon. Now, cruise ship typhoon. Now, we're coming back. Where's the pictures? Where's the pictures exactly? Come on, show on pictures. Where are the pictures? Yeah, let's just get back. And there we go. Here are the pictures. Titanic. And wow. That is really, really big. That's a big splash. That's a big splash too. Now let's go inside. Let's go play the boat. I mean the game. What happened? Come on. Yeah, I keep entering Samsung internet. Yeah. That's what happens. Come on! Yeah, I keep teleporting to Samsung internet. We're going Roblox. Now, the fleets. Now, we're going now. So let's go. Yeah, let's get teleport. So now, guys, now boat. Yeah, now. That is a Cebu. That big cruise ship over there, that's cool. Okay, let's just go to Carnival Cruise Line. Yeah. So everyone, did you hear this lovely sound? Wow, you see cool. Now you see it's cool. It's really, really cool. It's cool. Yeah, I'm not gonna press the toggle. So let's just full speed ahead. Now I'm gonna actually drive the ship. So I'm gonna load the captain. There's a captain on the boat. There's a captain on the boat. That's how I have to do manage. What? Wait, is it only me? Wait, guys, is it only me? Yeah, it's only me. No one is in this, but okay, someone is in now. Someone is in the boat. Yeah. All I have to do is add. Back here. You see the captain. The captain is a girl. There is a Captain Girl. You can see a Carnival Mary. You see that? The Carnival Mary. Really cool, right? So, I passed a bridge. Last time I passed a bridge. Why are we still turning? We're still turning. Okay, I'm not gonna turn this anymore. Just go or something. Yeah, I have to go to the boat. Is this really a carnival cruise? Yeah, but there are no lifeboats. There are really no lifeboats, and no people are playing with me. Yeah, I think people are. Yeah, something. Now let's go to the top of that funnel over there. So guys, we're on the funnel. Now we're on the funnel. Let's just go to first person. What a great view. Yeah guys, you see a great view. Yeah, there we go. What is this something? Yeah, there's something. You see those things over there, those white things? That might be a waves or something. Yeah, exactly. That might be waves or something. Yeah. So guys, it's almost nighttime. We're in the bow. We're in the bow, everyone. Guys, we're in the bow. It's almost nighttime. Yeah, it's not nighttime. So guys, did you see? There are no suns here. Okay, let's put it in a 6-minute video for driving for, yeah, okay. So we're now in the open ocean. Okay. Yeah, oh, what's happening? Oh, okay, so I'm in here. I'm in here. Exactly. Yeah. So, thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Oh, wow. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you guys into the next episode. And please be safe of coronavirus. Peace out. Okay, peace out.